Wuhan, there were these automatic driving, like a taxi, that operates at less than half of the price of a human driver. And what people see is that they are quickly replacing taxi drivers in these cities. And taxi drivers are concerned, should we postpone the application of these automatic driving cars like the taxi drivers has petitioned? Or should we use other regulations to make transfers to kind of make everybody happy? Like what do you think about that?
It's not a new question. The cars and the taxi driver, that's a new question.
Yeah.
But I could tell you, I can give you example after example, where there's a technical change that basically eliminates a bunch of jobs. Like my father's job, intelligent man, his whole life, his job is done by a computer. Now, when that happens to a person, it can be a personal tragedy.
Yeah.
It can also be an opportunity. So I think to force your question, what a lot of us would like to do is say, we can't, even if we wanted to, we can't stop the adoption of these new technologies. Mm-hmm. And we have to adopt them in good ways, and we have to do things to protect and help the other people make transitions. Mm-hmm. Lots of times, actually, if you look at data, I know these data in the United States, there are not lifetime jobs in the United States. Most people have multiple jobs. So people get fired and they have to adjust. So one thing is personally you want, knowing that you want to prepare yourself to be enough flexible that you can adapt and have the ability to learn. So an education system that teaches people general skills where they can adapt. Mm-hmm. And then the other thing is, you said, yeah, if there's some new technology, you can devise tax and transfer schemes that are targeted at those people that help them.